And Mr. Husband is helping today. Day 3. He's going a lot faster than I can. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Gonna finish today. It's day 4, and I've been hard at it. Just about complete clearing what I started a few days ago, and how about you check out just how much I have left to go? Look at that. That's all that's left. Just a little bitty patch. And I've done all of this. And Mr. Husband, I can say, he's helped me. He helped me quite a bit on day 3. Or I wouldn't be this close. I would still have maybe that and some, about twice that amount. So let me get through. It's the end of day 4, and I've gotten it all cleaned up, pretty much. What was once a run-over monkey grass landscape plot is now a clean canvas and ready for phase 2. Go with me and see where we end. I ended it all. Okay, here it is. My clean canvas, ready to start preparing for phase 2. Or phase 2 is the preparation.